Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get a custom profile picture in Call of Duty Mobile. Well, as you can see in this game, you cannot change your profile picture directly on Call of Duty Mobile. But to do that, go to the settings menu in Call of Duty Mobile. Then click on the link or connect your account to either Arena or Facebook. Once your account is connected, go to your Facebook account and change your profile picture there. After you change your Facebook profile picture, open Call of Duty Mobile and go to your player profile. Click on your current profile picture and select Restore to Default. Your new custom profile picture should now appear on your player profile. Well, a custom profile picture allows you to show off your personal style and make your profile stand out. A unique profile picture can make it easier for your friends and other players to recognize you in the game. A custom profile picture can be used to express your mood, interest, or personality. Having a custom profile picture can help you feel more connected to the Call of Duty Mobile community. A distinctive profile picture can make it easier for you to spot your teammates in the heat of battle. A unique profile picture can make a lasting impression on other players. If you're a content creator or streamer, a custom profile picture can help you build your brand and promote your channel. In some communities, having a custom profile picture can be seen as a status symbol or a sign of dedication to the game. Choosing your own profile picture can give you a sense of control and ownership over your online presence. And that's how to get a custom profile picture in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.